There are two O-rings, the black one and the white one. We put the thread through here and put the black O-rings on first, and then the white O-ring, the clear O-ring, and then we push this through here as far as we could, the two O-rings to go inside. And then we screw this in here, try to force it in so that get the thread to get connected. So you just screws it in until it's tight, so that you can almost cannot pour this tube out to make sure it's sealed. You don't have to go very far, just as soon as you can pour this out tight, and you can adjust this. So now that is done. For the reverse, we will take the original level and we cut it right here, but you want to install it upside down first to make sure it go in, and then you cut it later. Put this thing upside down like so, press in, and lift this handle up as high as you can, and sneak the safety pin underneath. So now this is all connected, and you can attach this part into your BeerTender machine.